Sacrifice, sacrifice, sacrifice. Yeah, you know I prayed and made many sacrifice. Certified, qualified, bona fide. Yeah, you know I paid my dues and my overtime. Been 7 years away from my friends and my family, but I've been on the road, running many shows, trying to make a living, Mania, me and my guys we go mania, me and my guys we go bucket ball, me and my guys we go breed again, we go ball again, oh mania, me and my guys.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have been nodding to this music, the one you just listened to, watch this video to the end and you will sing and dance just like I did. Today I'm going to share with you a place in Sāo Paulo, a place not many people know. Of course, everyone knows that Sāo Paulo is a vibrant city, a noisy city. What they don't know is this part of Sāo Paulo that is cool, calm, peaceful, and breathtaking. So come with me to Mirante do Bororé. That is how I call it. I don't know if any other way to call it because I am not Portuguese. I don't speak Portuguese. So I went to this place with my son, my handsome son. We took the train from the city of Sāo Paulo to this place. Bororé is in a region that is like excluded. It's not that it's excluded, but then it is very, very far from Sāo Paulo city. We took the yellow train from the city to this place. It's called IIha or whatever, I don't know. And then we took the other train, this one that was going to take us to a big bus terminal. You know, Brazil is overpopulated, so at each place or terminal or train or tram or a lot of people. So we got to this terminal Gradual, and from here we took a bus to Bororé. Our bus came. We got in and made ourselves comfortable. My son told me, "Mama, you can do anything in Brazil and get away with it. But if you jump the train, that is, you get into the train or the metro without a valid ticket, Mama, you will never get away with it." So the highlight of this trip was the ferry crossing. This ferry took us from the vibrant side, the noisy side of Sāo Paulo, to the more rural and peaceful side that is called Bororé. And this place, let me tell you a little bit about this place, the place I'm taking you to. It is famous for the panoramic views over the reservoir because it is a reservoir, one of the biggest reservoir of Brazil. It is also famous for the sunset scenery. It's famous for the fresh air and quiet atmosphere. You will see for yourself. Don't worry. Just let's keep going. There are also fishing spots, nature photography, and the water is calm and blue. You will see for yourself. I know this is not related to the video, this particular video, but one thing I noticed while I was in Brazil was the amount of dogs. Wow. Dogs on the streets, wandering about, and they are always little dogs. Dogs. I call them ekuke. I just saw one while we were inside the ferry. Like I said earlier, from São Paulo city to this place is far. It took us about 2 hours 45 minutes to get to this place. That was my son helping someone. I gave birth to a gentleman. So come along with us because we just got down the bus. Okay, see another ekuke. This one, a black one. Okay, let's go. We just got off the bus, but it was still a long way of trekking. As we were going, I was telling my son, now, this place looks like our village. Are you sure we are still in São Paulo? Wow, but the air here was better, fresher. So let's keep going. We were talking and laughing, and it was fun. Even the walk itself, it was so much fun. I loved it. We left the tarred road and then got into this really untarred and village looking like road. We got to this place and I was like, what is happening? Which way? Where are we going to?
Okay. Ụzọ agba ito. Ụmụ nwaanyị aja akwa anọ ncha n'iko.
My son was already like tired of me making videos, taking photos, and oh goodness, it was a really fun-filled afternoon. See another ekuke. This one a white one. Hey God, ekuke everywhere. We are now getting close to the Mirante. Look at this precious view. Look at this precious, beautiful view. My camera is not doing justice to this view. It's not. So this is the place Porta Ilha de Bororé Mirante. My son invited me to step down to there. I said, no, I'm not going down that steep. I'm not. Bye. Enjoy yourself down there. Look at this place. Calm. when you are here, it's like time slows down. No stress, no rush. And because we had time and we were peaceful, we were relaxed, we decided to listen and jive to my son's latest release.
Lord knows I miss my G. Lord knows that I miss the days that I took for granted.
Did you like that? Did you like the music? If you did, I am leaving the link to the music here to his channel. Go to his channel, watch the full music, the full song, jive to it, dance to it, save it, and share with your friends. See another Ikuke. Okay. As I was saying, I just left the link to his music, and because, like I said, we have all the time, so I decided also to dive to some music, enjoy myself, enjoy the environment, and have a good, wonderful time. This time we have two ekukes, a black one and a white one. Please, bottom muzzle, get away from my way, make I go. So we left the place because it was getting dark, and like I said, it's very far from home, from Sāo Paulo city. And while we were going, I decided to make a short video telling you how to carry your backpack if you are in Sāo Paulo, because trust me, Sāo Paulo is big. Wearing your backpack on your back, don't do that. Wear it in front. That way you will be sure that nobody is putting his or her hand into your pocket, into your backpack. Yeah, that's the best way to carry your backpack. So let's go. So we now got to the bus stop, and we sat there waiting for the bus for the long journey back home. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly leave me a message, a comment, a thumbs up, or like and share the video, and also subscribe. Thank you.